Hello friends, welcome on this YouTube. Hello friends, welcome on this YouTube channel. I am Professor Saurabh Naik taking a next session under discipline geology with the topic faults and its types. In this session, we will learn concept of fault, parts of fault and different types of fault. So, what is meant by fault? The faults are undulation or bends or curvatures in rock crust. Development in any type of rock, any shape, simply bend or curvature. Depend on nature, magnitude, direction and duration of force. Fault is a very slow geological process. The faults are ductile type of deformation. In short, faults are formed because of application of forces. Right? Look at this image. Image shows the faults in rock mass. These are the bends or curvature in a rock. In this image, we see two different types of V shape. Either it is a vertical, either it is a V or reverse V. Right? Next, parts of fold. The first part of fold is limbs. Limbs is the sides or flanks of fold. Individual fold have minimum 2 limbs. If it is in a group, middle limb will be common to 2 adjacent fold. Look at these images. The limb is a side or flanks of fold. Next parts are hinge, axial force, axial plane. Point can be found where curvature is maximum, one limb end and other is start is called as hinge. All hinge points joined together, they make a line called hinge line. Look at these images. Different hinge portions are connected in a single line. It is called as a hinge line. This is a hinge line. An axial plane is that imaginary plane that passes through all points of maximum curvature in a folded sequence. The axis may be vertical, inclined or horizontal, or it is planar or non-planar fold. Axis of fold. Next is the axis of fold. Line drawn parallel to hinge line of a fold. Axis of a fold would be line representing intersection of axial plane with any bed fold. Folded sequence is made up of number of layers, may be horizontal, vertical or inclined. Look at this image. It is a cross-sectional view of fold, consists of all parts of fold, that is axial plane, horizontal line, angle of plunge, limb, fold axis, horizontal plane, etc. 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 Plunge of fold. What is meant by plunge of fold? Angle of inclination of fold axis with horizontal as measured in a vertical plane. Axis of a line and plunge is angle mixed with a horizontal plane. Horizontal axis will obviously have 0 plunge. Look at these images. The plunging anticline and plunging syncline. Next one is a crust and trough. The line running through highest point in an up arch fold, it is called crust. The line running through lowest point in down arch fold, it is called trough. Look at these images. The higher upper points called as trough and lower maximum point is called as trough. It may or may not be coincide to axis of fold. The next one is types of folds. Two basic types of folds are anticlines and syncline. Let's see one by one. The first one is an anticlines. Strata are up arch become convex upward. Older rocks occupy a position at core or fold and youngest forming outermost flank. Look at these images. Older rock occupy a position at core fold. Core fold means this is a dark portion, it is a older rock. Then in the white portion it is a outermost part of a younger rock. Second one is a synclines. Synclines is a reverse of anticlines. Strata at down arch become convex. Younger rock occupies the position at core fold and the older rocks form outer planks. Look at this image. It is the absolutely reverse to the anticlines. Syncline and anticline. Syncline is a convex, anticlinal is a concave. Position of axial plane may be vertical, inclined or even horizontal. Main types are recognized on the basis of axial plane. The different types of syncline folds are: the first one is a symmetrical folds. The axial plane is essentially vertical and limbs are equal in a length and deep equally in opposite direction. It is called as a symmetrical fold. Asymmetrical fold, limbs are unequal in length and these deep are unequally on either side of hinge line. The next one is a overturned fold. The folds with inclined axial planes in which both limbs are dipping essentially same general direction. Two limbs may or may not be same. The next one is the isoclinal folds. All the axial planes are essentially parallel to all the component limbs are dipping at equal amount. The next is recumbent folds. Extreme types of overturned folds in which axial plane acquires an almost horizontal attitude. One limb comes to lie exactly under the other limb. Look at these images, 5 images. These 5 images show the different types of fold. The first one is a symmetrical fold having a vertical axis and limbs are equal in length and direction. See, in symmetrical axis, limbs is not in a same direction or same length. The axial plane, axial axis of fold is also is not in a vertical direction. Isoclinal fold is a vertical axis, but limbs are may or may not be equal. Overturn is a incline and recumbent fold. It is a nearly equal to horizontal line, horizontal axis of fold. For concluding, so these are the about folds. For concluding remark of this session, that fold is undulations or bends in a rock crust according to position of axis and limb. There are different types of folds such as symmetrical, asymmetrical, overturn, isoclinal, recumbent folds, etc., etc., etc. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.